If you're looking at a hotel in Hawaii on the island of Oahu, look no further. I will highly recommend Four Seasons Olina, and let me show you why. In this review, we'll go through in depth the room, the food, and also some of the services like massage. So come join me. So the history behind this hotel, it used to be a Marriott flag hotel, then Four Seasons took over, and you'll see some of the vestige of Marriott characteristics. The lobby is well appointed, it's spacious, everybody's super nice, as with any Four Seasons level service. This hotel is absolutely massive, it is huge, so from the lobby, when you look up, you'll see all of the floors. We end up getting one of the Ocean Premium Suites. These are the welcome gifts, nice bottle of champagne, and the design is still a classic Hawaiian design that's slightly modern, but I love it. It's actually one of my favorite Oahu hotels. And being on the higher floor, you can see the entire surrounding, especially the ocean. A little bit rainy today, but as you can tell from the view, it is gorgeous. The bed is comfy, and you can always choose your pillow comfort level with any Four Seasons. The bathroom is well appointed, a little bit on the smaller side, but has a tub, shower, and a dual sink. And of course, a total toilet. As for the toiletries, I did wish they went a little bit higher level, but they're supporting local. And one last look at the living room. It is spacious. You can have friends over. I'm a huge fan when hotels offer comfortable slippers, and this is no joke, one of the most comfy slippers out there. And if you're a cat owner, they do allow cats. So we brought our cat along on this trip. We did come here on July 4th, and they did offer a berry pie as a great gift. As for food, I would highly recommend Noe. It's an Italian restaurant. It's my favorite Italian restaurant on the entire island. I always come back here throughout the year. And one of the do not miss dishes is their honey and ricotta. I think it's their signature dish. It's one of my favorites. But as you can tell over here, there's other dishes that we ordered. Everything's delicious. They do handmade pasta. We got rigatoni with ragu. As for breakfast, a typical buffet. It's wide selection. Then for lunch, they also have bites of sandwiches, burgers, salads. And the second thing that's do not miss is their passion fruit parfait. We get this every time we're here. As for surroundings, that's the Disney Hotel in the background. This is the west side of Oahu, so it's quieter. They have koi ponds all around. It's a very scenic and quiet hotel for the size because everybody's spread out. And of course, taking our cat to watch the kois. As for the gym, it's a separate tower. It takes about a 5-minute walk from the main hotel area. And that's where the spa and gym are located. It's on the very top floor. It's well appointed, as you can see. There's tennis courts, there's soccer, there's everything you want to do. And how about the spa service? So this is their lobby and their spa. This is their relaxing room before your service. And the treatment rooms, typical Hawaiian hotel. One of the experiences that you can't miss is called 516. It's almost like a speakeasy hidden cocktail hour, and I would highly recommend doing this experience. They do charge you for this, but it's totally worth it. So when you walk out, you're met with this awesome view of the property and ocean. Really good hors d'oeuvres, really good cocktails, but the most amazing part is it's during sunset hour, so the views are amazing. While we soaked up the sun, had some drinks, well, it's been a great time over here at Four Seasons. And as for the beach access, it's right behind the property. Quick walk, everybody goes there during sunset. There's some lava rocks that you climb. They got these cool lanterns, it's so nice. And of course, we brought our cat to the lawn to watch sunset up together. So in summary, I would highly recommend Four Seasons Olina. It's on the west side, it's a little bit quieter, food's delicious, rooms are well appointed, and they are cat friendly. So if this has been helpful, please click and subscribe. It'll help our channel grow. Thank you so much.